To set Edge lighting style effect for notification pop-up to echo in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification and then tap notification pop-up style. While the notification pop-up style is set to brief, tap Edge lighting style. In the effect tab, select echo. When you select this effect and you receive a brief notification pop-up, the edge of your phone will light up in echo effect. Tap down button to save the change. The edge lighting style effect for notification pop-up has been set to echo. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.